Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to bypass website restrictions on font zoom in the Yandex browser on your mobile device. Many websites try to prevent users from increasing or decreasing the text size. First, open Yandex browser on your mobile device. Next, locate the three-line menu icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on it. Then, click on the Settings icon to access the browser settings. After that, find the option labeled Text Zoom and Autofit. Then, you will see an option labeled Ignore Site Requests to forbid font zoom. Turn this option on to allow font adjustments even on websites that try to block them. If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.